Morning students. Now we shall discuss about the topic behavior of certain light rays when they are incident on a lens. Situation 1. Any ray passing along the principal axis is undeviated. So this is a convex lens symbol, this is concave lens symbol. A ray which moves along the principal axis, there is no deviation occurs. Here also the light ray moves along the principal axis. After emerging the lens, there is no undeviation. Situation 2. Any ray passing through the optic center is also undeviated. Here, the ray passing through the optic center, after emerging the lens, the light ray is undeviated. Here also, the light ray passing through the optic center, after emerging the lens, there is no deviation. So from this we conclude that any ray passing along the principal axis as well as optic center, there is no undeviation occurs. Now come to situation 3. The rays passing parallel to the principal axis, converging at the focus, or appear to diverge from the focus as shown below. Here the light rays which moves parallel to the principal axis, after striking the lens, the emerging light rays are refracted light rays which passes through the focal point. So here the image is formed. So this parallel beam of light rays indicates that the image is at infinite and its image is formed at focal point. So here one side is object lies and another side image is formed because the lens is transparent. So in case of concave lens, the light rays, the parallel beam of light rays, which indicates that the object is at infinite. So after striking the lens, the light rays are diverging, but seems to be appear coming from the focal point. Here, in case of concave lens, object keep one side of the lens, at the same side the image is also formed. Okay, that is the significance of concave lens. Now come to situation 4. The rays passing through the focus will take a path parallel to the principal axis after refraction as shown below. Here in case of convex lens, here this is the focal point. The light rays, here the object is here, point size object keep here now. So here the light rays going like this, and the light rays which are coming from the object. Okay, after striking the lens, the light rays bend like this. Okay, means the refracted rays which moves parallel to the principal axis. Actually the path of the light rays in this direction. This is in this direction, this is in this direction, but due to refraction, so they are refract like this. Correct. And the rays passing through the focal point, after refraction they will be refract, and but they are parallel to the principal axis. In case of concave lens, so the light rays incident in the direction, after refraction all the refracted rays which moves parallel to the principal axis. I am so sorry. The light rays which moves in this direction. In the direction. That means you have point size object at focal point. The light rays going in the direction. After refraction, they will be parallel to the principal axis. Thank you. Now see the answer from starting to end. Thank you, students. Please subscribe my channel. Regularly, I will be upload my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Regularly, I will be upload my videos, and follow my channel and subscribe. Thank you, students.